Automation is here, but not every solution can take you all the way. Arsos is the only software that seamlessly integrates the automation of operations, maintenance, grid, and curtailment management with real-time monitoring. With Arsos, end-to-end automation is now a reality. Let's start with Arsos O&M. When a turbine reports an error, Arsos takes over, analyzing real-time data and making expert decisions instantly, faster and more consistent than any operator. On average, it saves 30 minutes per reset, letting teams focus on bigger challenges. You set the operation protocol, and Arsos handles the rest. For example, in high-temperature faults, it ensures a safe cooldown and restarts the turbine automatically. This is just one of thousands of possible scenarios. You can be as creative as you want. If an issue persists, Arsos notifies the right team and integrates with CMMS tools to close the loop. But Arsos goes even further. Our grid and market product integrates with TSOs to apply curtailments automatically, preventing penalties and reducing manual monitoring. It ensures compliance with the latest regulations with instant cloud-based updates. Arsos also enables you to send curtailments without needing to connect to the TSO by simply uploading your curtailment schedule, saving valuable time and executing your trading strategy in seconds while protecting your revenue. Additionally, it streamlines coordination between the trading and operations teams. Everything is managed from a single platform, making it easy to oversee an entire asset portfolio, even internationally. From turbine operations to TSO curtailments, Arsos automates it all. Arsos further enhances its offering with a powerful real-time monitoring platform called Second-Level SCADA that consolidates, analyzes, and optimizes data from multiple sites into a single, centralized system. This provides a clear, global view of operations, enabling smarter decisions for optimal site performance. Finally, our software offers advanced data analytics. The insights generated enable informed decision-making, optimizing performance, and increasing economic benefits. Arsos brings true automation, putting operations on autopilot so your team can focus on what matters most.